second part, eh?
I didn't realize it was the second part.
Well done!
I thought it ended right there.
Oh no.
Woo! Look at the dust cloud.
Fucking dude.
Where's the bike?
The bike seems to be above him.
Holy
Fuck,
shit.
that's a pretty... Oh.
Uh-oh.
You alright?
Doesn't look okay.
I think it's just slippery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At first there it looked like you had the big limp
I
going.
can't believe that.
That's crazy. How do you turn around?
Well, maybe I won't try it.
You sure, Tony?
Yeah, I thought about it.
Woo! He's like a foot from the top.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Fuck, that's a brutal. I want to see what's up here.
You know it's hard.
Oh yeah.
You know it's hard. You can't.
Yeah. Launch off that rock, eh?
Yeah.